Hi, this is Queen from AEvent Support. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create timeline actions on adding to campaign, removing a campaign, and pausing a campaign using your Drip account. So, assuming that you have already successfully integrated your Drip account to your AEvent account, once you're already logged into your AEvent account, from the dashboard, you just have to access the timelines page and open your timeline. Once here, you just have to click on the create action button from the upper right hand side. So we have to set up the time when we want the event or the timeline action to be triggered. Our target attendees, registrants, or non-attendees, and the what section. This would include the type of integration that you'll be using and the type of action you want to execute it. So let's start with adding to campaign. So it will be on the event day, 5 minutes after the event has started. And I'll be targeting registrants. And from the what section, let's just select drip and we'll be adding to campaign. And let's just select the campaign. So for this example, let's select this existing campaign that we have on our drip account and just click on create at the bottom. And we have successfully added that action. Next, we'll be creating a timeline action to pause a campaign. So click on create action button again. It's the same day, the event day. Let's set it 30 minutes after the event has started. And let's target attendees. Let's select drip. And we will be pausing the campaign. So the campaign we want to pause is this one, 30 minutes after the event has started. So just click on create at the bottom and we have successfully added that action. Lastly, I'll be showing you how to create a timeline action to remove a campaign. So just click on the create action button again. So we'll be setting it up on the same day and this will be 1 hour after the event has started. And this time I'll be targeting non-attendees. And let's just select drip and let's remove from campaign. So we will be removing non-attendees from this campaign. And then let's click on create at the bottom. And we have successfully added that action as well. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe to our channel so you'll get notified of additional videos we'll be uploading in the future. Thanks for watching.